It reminds me the Louis Vuitton Tourbillon leather. This video was sponsored by Parisa Wang. Product was sent to us by them for free, and we're not getting paid for this independent review. The design seems pretty sophisticated, nicely executed. Seems like a pretty typical embossed pebbled cowhide that we see in high fashion industry. There is a very uniform pebble pattern. We know that's coming from embossing. That's a corrective finish. Seems like very pleasing in the first look. We applied the acetone to the leather to remove the finish. We can remove the pigmented top layer with the help of acetone here. Definitely a pigmented finish, but not super heavy. This is very typical in high fashion to accomplish this standardized pebble look. So it's a polyurethane or acrylic based finish covered on leather, then a hot heavy press embossed with this pebble pattern to accomplish this uniform breakage. It's one of the most typical leather looks we use. It reminds me the Louis Vuitton Tourbillon leather, if I'm not wrong. It's pretty similar nature. You don't need a super clean, high grade grain leather to accomplish this look. It's top grain, it has a little bit of buff before the finish, and it's kind of necessary to bond the finish better to the leather. I really like the leather choice here. It is really nothing less than you might find on super high luxury brand. I see about 6-7 square foot of leather necessary for a bag of this sort. My estimate for leather is about $35. This is a medium to high complexity bag. It was very well assembled and very nice craftsmanship, accessories. It was handmade in China, it says. I believe $90 should be able to have us this bag assembled in China using these accessories. This bag is priced at $358 on their website. Given my estimate of $125, sounds like a fair pricing. The leather choice, again, these are not my first choice leathers, as most of you know by now. It's pretty corrected, but it's super common in high fashion, and there's benefits to it. It's easy to clean and maintain for the same look for a long time. It is super comparable to the types of leather that really high-end brands use. Very well leather choice in this space for what this design required. A pretty nice design, complex craftsmanship, very well put together. All the internal support structures properly utilized. Even the inside materials have some design to it. The packaging was pretty good. It comes with a little dust bag style in a nice bag. So they try to give you that luxury bag impression as well with this. I think it's another brand coming into this space to provide you good leather crafts with a price tag that doesn't include prestige and status.